When you sync user groups between Omnissa Access and an on-prem Active Directory server, some user attributes get mapped from one system to the other. For some integrations, such as Horizon Cloud Next Gen, you need to map a few additional custom attributes. I'll show you how to do that in this video, and I'll also show you how to configure the Intelligent Hub People Search feature. In Omnissa Connect, launch Omnissa Access. In the Access console, click the Settings tab and User Attributes. For this demo, I'll show you how to add and map some custom attributes for integration with Horizon Cloud Next Gen. There are just 3: Object GUID, SID, and NetBIOS. Now these are all case sensitive. Save that. Let's look at the default attributes and see which ones are required. If we were doing this before we created the directory in Access, we could select checkboxes to add to the list of which are required, but I neglected to do it before creating the directory. Oh well, I can still add custom attributes and change mappings to AD attributes. Go over to the Integrations tab, select Directories, and I'll click the name of the directory I added, as shown in the last video. Go to the Sync Settings tab, and I'll click Sync Without Safeguards. This is to add the custom attributes to this group. Now expand Mapped Attributes, scroll down, and yes, NetBIOS. That is one of the custom attributes, and Object GUID, and SID. Now we'll map them. For NetBIOS, select Custom Value and enter MSDS Principal Name. Scroll down, and for Object GUID, select Object GUID. Remember, the attributes are case sensitive. And for SID, select Custom Value and enter Object SID. The other one that we need is User Principal Name, but it's already there and already mapped correctly. Click Save. Now go and expand groups just to check that the correct group is selected, and expand users to check that the correct users are selected. Click Test. Okay, on to People Search. In the navigation pane, select People Search. Select the directory and click Next. In the Custom User Attributes, scroll down, and for Manager DN, which is required but not yet mapped, leave it set to Custom and enter Manager, which is an Active Directory attribute. Also, and this might just be for Horizon Cloud Next Gen, select Business Unit and select Division, or if there is some other attribute your AD uses, select that. Here we see our newly added custom attributes, but since we don't especially care to see them on the People tab of the Intelligent Hub, we won't select them here. Click Next. Verify that User DNs has the correct group of people, and click Save and Sync. And People Search is enabled. Yay! Here's an example of what the People component looks like in the Intelligent Hub app on my Mac. Remember, we used the Manager DN attribute, and here's my manager. Up in the corner is the People Search. Access is now all set up for integration with other Workspace ONE services.